Soldering mistake number 4 is the improper use and application of flux paste. Using old or dirty flux paste can lead to numerous issues causing weak connections that are prone to leaks. As fluxing agents within the paste age, they will not be able to remove oxides from the surfaces being soldered. The shelf life of flux paste when stored properly in a cool, dry place is typically anywhere from 6 months to 1 year. Unlike this new flux paste, old flux paste will have a dry, clumpy consistency and it'll be difficult to apply evenly. Every effort must also be made to keep dirt and foreign debris from entering the flux paste container. Be sure to always use fresh, clean flux paste for optimal soldering results. Using a dirty flux paste brush can also lead to numerous issues causing weak connections that are prone to leaks. Using a dirty brush will contaminate the flux paste container, so every effort must be made to keep the brush clean. Flux paste contains acids that break down the bristles on the brush, so once a soldering job is completed, throw it out. Also be sure to store new brushes in some kind of bag or container so that they don't get dirty. I like to use a plastic Ziploc baggie. Flux paste is an acidic chemical compound that helps prepare metal surfaces for soldering. It removes oxidation, seals out air, improves the flow of solder into the joint, and helps the solder adhere to the copper or brass surfaces. Always apply a thin, even layer of flux paste with a special flux paste brush to a clean surface of both the copper pipe and the copper or brass fitting prior to soldering. Be sure the flux paste covers the entire area where the pipe and fitting meet. Be careful not to apply too much flux paste, as this can cause numerous issues, including too much solder flowing down inside the fitting. Never use your finger to apply flux paste. The natural acids on your finger will cause a chemical reaction with the flux paste and cause adhesion issues to the copper or brass surfaces. Also be careful not to get flux paste in your eyes, and be sure to keep it out of reach of children. Once the flux paste has been applied to the pipe and fitting, immediately join the pipe and fitting together. Be sure to wipe off any excess flux paste on the outside of the joint, pipe, and fitting. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.